Brand spanking new 24 Sonata. And I'm going to show you how to do the cabin air filter. First things first, open the door. Amazing, right? You have to squeeze this side in and this side in. Let me show you. It feels like a two-stage, but it's not. So once you get past the rubber, you sort of have to get past this guy as well. So you sort of have to squeeze it twice. I mean, I guess if we squeeze hard enough, you say you can clear it both. But then you gotta get this guy off too. Don't forget him, because he will hold you up. Just push it off the arm. And there you have it. Pull, squeeze, pull towards you. And there it is. Ooh, we got Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis. And Hanon, what's that? Don't know what that is. Let's see if I can get this guy off. There you go. This thing's brand spanking new. So, there you have it, pretty easy. Put it right back on the guide. Airflow down, like every other thing else. Push this guy back in, driver's side first. There's a little notch right there where this guy holds in. And then push. Then like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.